Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set dark mode on Facebook laptop. We start by opening Facebook in our browser and logging in. After that, click on the icon of our user and then on Display and Accessibility. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Next, we will see the dark mode option and we can click on to be able to put Facebook in dark mode. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.